two insurance giants face off, one big question: which one truly secures your future? On the left, the established, trusted Prudential, and on the right, the innovative, steadfast Guardian Life. Let's put aside the sales talk and dig into what really matters. We'll award points in each category, and by the end, you'll know exactly who comes out ahead. The winner might just surprise you. So here's the game plan. We're gonna stack up Prudential and Guardian Life across all the categories that actually make a difference: premiums, policy variety, cash value growth, financial strength, and what's it really like when you need help, customer experience. Just keep these in mind as we walk through each one. Okay, first up, premiums. So with Prudential, their rates are actually pretty competitive when you're talking term life, definitely not the sort that makes you gasp. And this is a big but: if you're eyeing whole life, the prices can creep up a bit. Now Guardian Life, these folks are especially strong for whole life policies. You get these flexible payment options, which is honestly a breath of fresh air if you don't like rigid plans. Downside: for certain term products and age brackets, Guardian can actually come in a little higher than Prudential, funny enough. But overall, Guardian squeaks out the win here for how solid their whole life value is. Alright, now policy variety. This one's a heavy hitter for both companies. Prudential rolls out a strong menu: term, universal, even variable life, which is awesome if you want more of that investment angle. Only thing missing: no participating whole life, so you won't see dividend payouts here. Guardian Life, on the other hand, really leans into whole life with those industry-famous participating policies, plus their term and universal options cover most folks' needs. Just a little less variety if you want super investment-focused stuff. But honestly, both lineups are impressive, so I'm calling this a tie. Now let's talk cash value growth. So Prudential guarantees steady, reliable growth, like you know what you're getting, which is nice. But there's a trade-off. These policies don't pay dividends, so you're kind of missing out on any extra upside. Guardian is, oh man, the poster child for strong dividends. They're known for industry-leading payouts and give you some pretty flexible options if you want to tap into your cash value with loans. Just remember, dividends aren't guaranteed each year, so you need a little faith in the company. But still, Guardian grabs the crown in this one. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Guardian Life, they've actually paid out dividends to their policyholders every single year since 1868. Like, imagine sticking to something for that long. That's some serious consistency. Switching gears to financial strength, and wow, both are powerhouses. Prudential carries an A+ from AM Best. You've seen them on the Fortune 500 for years, and honestly, stability isn't something you worry about here. Guardian takes it up half a notch with that A++ rating, and hey, they're actually mutually owned, which means policyholders share in the profits. Either way you go, your policy is super secure. It's a tie, no question. Alright, last up but definitely not least, customer experience. So Prudential does well in the digital department, like if you want to manage your stuff online, they've got that covered. But I gotta say, reviews on their human support, mixed bag, sometimes good, sometimes not so much. Guardian, though, they've made a name for really personal service and that strong network of agents. Perfect if you like that hands-on touch. Downside, they don't let you do everything directly online, so it's a bit old school, but Guardian takes the cake for treating you like more than just a number. Just look at how these two stack up across the board. Some categories are really close, but a few clear winners pop out if you're paying attention. So what's the vibe? If you like lots of term options or want to dip into investment-linked products, Prudential is kind of your go-to. But if you want to lock down strong whole life plus value that hands-on, personal approach, honestly, Guardian really stands out. If this rundown helped you figure out your next move, go ahead and hit subscribe. I share even more breakdowns like this to help you make smarter insurance decisions.